Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing a little older truck. This is a 2000 Dodge Dakota extended cab, rear wheel drive pickup truck. So it has 163,379 miles on it. It's priced under $3,000, and just a little disclaimer, it's not a perfect truck by any means. But it wouldn't be a bad truck to have around town for when you need it on the weekends, or maybe a first vehicle for someone to kind of fix up and make it their own. And overall, just did a pretty decent test drive on it. Drove it several miles. Drives really pretty good. It's powered by the 4.7 liter Magnum V8. Plenty of power. I didn't notice anything wrong there. I'll get to the tires when we get outside. But let's flip this around interior and check it out. So got the radio here. It's got a Pioneer aftermarket stereo, AM and FM radio. It does have an aux port here if you want to plug in your phone. Glove compartment there. Interior looks pretty good condition for the year and miles. There is a light on the dash, an ABS brake light, but the brakes did feel fine. The ABS is the analog brake system, so maybe a sensor or something along those lines. But to get a truck at this price, this miles, you're going to have some of that. Power windows, they do work. Power locks, they do work. All right, let's check out the outside. Exterior here, the clear coat's coming off the front hood. But I don't see any body damage per se. Windshield itself, I don't notice any cracks or anything like that in it. Front tires do need replaced. It does have alloy wheels there. Front tires are in the replacement period. Looks like some rust showing up down in there. Someone might have done a little bit of body work. Clear coat coming off the bed rails here. Rear tires look good though. Rear tires look like they got a lot of tread on them. Got some aftermarket tail lights on it. Bumper assembly starting to rust out a little bit. Dent here in the tailgate. Does have the bed liner in it. Just be a nice truck to have around the house, around the farm, for when you need a truck. It's always nice to have a truck around. It is the extended cab. Get back there, you just lift up this seat, climb on back there. Good for small kids. Or just extra storage. Well, that's the review on this Dodge Dakota. If this is something for you, the price is definitely right. Definitely sold as is. Come drive it yourself, inspect it yourself. We welcome you to do that. If you have any further questions, I'm going to post some links below of how to contact us. And we appreciate you watching this video. I hope this review assists you in your purchase.